If you want to get a credit card, but your credit score is trash, I got the answer for you. Stay tuned because we got 60 seconds, so let's jump into it. So the answer is getting a secured credit card. And you may be wondering, what's a secure credit card? Well, that's a card that you choose to balance for because you provide it. There are many companies out there that do it, and you can even check with your bank now to see if they offer one. So here's an example of how the secure card works. If you have $200 or whatever limit you choose, you can go to a company like creditbuildercard.com and they'll provide you with a credit card with your desired limit. We recommend Credit Builder Card because within 1 week, y'all, 1 week, they'll report to all 3 credit bureaus, which helps instantly boost your credit score, depending on your credit profile. If you want to know if getting a secure card is the right option for you, just comment secure and I'll let you know. Even with trash credit, you can still be approved because they don't check credit. And I can say this because we partner with them, so you know they're legit. Just click the link in our bio and get your secure card today to help boost your scores. Then you can stop wondering,